Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify home equity loans with Discover step by step clearly. To verify your home equity loans with Discover, begin by visiting the Discover website. Navigate to the Home Equity Loans section. Review the loan options available. Select the type of home equity loan that interests you. Click on the Apply Now button to start the application process. Fill out the necessary personal information, including your name and address. Provide details about your home, such as its value and mortgage balance. Specify the loan amount you wish to request. Include your financial information, like your income and employment status. Review the terms and conditions carefully before submitting your application. Once submitted, check your email for any updates from Discover. If additional information is required, respond promptly to keep your application moving forward. Follow up with Discover's customer service if you have any questions during the process. After verification, you will receive your loan approval status. Once approved, review the final loan offer and terms before acceptance. If you accept, finalize any necessary paperwork with Discover. After everything is complete, funds will be disbursed according to the agreed terms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.